that needs to be totally flat for the neck, right?
Correct.
Awesome. Well, we're back. I haven't filmed for a little while. Went back to work. Thank you, God. So we're here on a Thursday. We were meeting on Fridays every day for how long have we been doing this?
Oh, what, a couple months?
Yeah, and I totally appreciate it.
It's a little bit rounded this way, but it's good and dead flat that way. So I don't really care that it's flat this way, just that it's all kind of even, but I do want it to be flat
In the
this
middle.
way. And
Okay.
it is, because you can undercut the, the end of the neck a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's see here.
That's turning out real nice.
Probably don't need to worry about this too much. Get some of the 80 grit scratches out of there.
Yeah. So we're flattening it out for the fretboard and the neck. Yeah, that's something you wouldn't want to put on the machine and get too aggressive with, and then you could really mess it up.
Yeah. So here's the.
Oh, nice.
There's the binding.
And it's cherry and just kind of a.
It's sycamore, and I forgot what the black is. It's all dyed woods.
Okay.
And this will be the purfling that will go on the top and the back inside the binding.
Okay. Yeah, if I try to get too close, it's not going to show it probably.
So.
Have you ever had anybody come in and film you?
When Hibden was redoing their website, they came in. Now, I wasn't really working there, I was talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that jig.
I had it the way I wanted it. I just didn't know. So.
Did you make that jig?
I did.
I like it.
I got these little feet thing, and
yeah, it looks like it's really adjustable.
And basically, what I'm looking to get out of this is to have it about as level as I can get it. So we're about 5 3/4. So we're way over there. So let's see here.
Oh no, that's great. No, I appreciate you waiting on some of this so that we can see this. Yeah, that last video I put out, there's only 16 views on it.
Oh, really?
I don't think I've ever had a video with 16 views. Your other one's got a lot more than that. I might even have just not named it well. So, not taking it down. You get what you get.
About 5 3/6. What was that? 3:30 seconds.
We're getting it level so that we can put route out for the binding. Yeah.
But we'll see here.
The only thing I try to do is go against the turn. You know, you're not wanting to
correct.
go.
Climb cutting, yeah.
But yeah, other than that,
yeah.
That's interesting because I think I learned something there. I probably should be doing it more than once. I've always just routed it once, which it totally makes sense to kind of clean it out a little bit going another time.
And then
at least.
another thing that I
Yeah.
always do here
Yeah.
is just break that corner.
That's the outside corner?
That's the inside corner.
Inside, okay. Interesting. Would you do that on electric guitar too?
I would, yeah. Anytime you got to.
So is that for glue? Get the glue?
That is in case if there's anything that I don't want, you know, a little burr thing that I don't see or something.
Okay.
That's,
And you're really not hitting it much at all, looks like.
no, hardly at all. But and I have to say this bent really
Now you
well.
bent all that in your machine, your sumac
In the side bender, yeah.
bender. Okay.
So gonna require a little bit of force, but tape should handle that.
Okay.
So now now I could flip it over, do the other side without changing this. But let's see, it'll fit back in here. So does it stay level is the big question. Going in a different way.
Good question. It should stay level, right?
It should.
I mean, technically, but
Right at 5 3/16 there, which is just a tad and right, just a hair difference. So that's close enough to level for me.
okay.
So we will go ahead and do it.
Sounds good. Go ahead. It wasn't that loud. I'm okay. Yeah, it's nice and clean. So that's how to look on.
Cutting too deep, and I'm not.
Yeah, I really like that jig, man. That's pretty cool. In the olden days, they did it by hand.
Yep.
You know, the olden days, like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
I guess Stumac has changed a lot of stuff for people. Not that that's a Stumac deal. I don't know if it is.
It is not a Stumac deal. This is it's called the Luthier tool. Well,
Okay.
let's see. Luthier. It's luthiertool.com.
Oh,
I guess
okay.
that's the name of the company.
Interesting. I don't know if I've ever heard of them. So here's a question for you, Joe. When can a person actually call themselves a luthier?
After you have your own dictionary of cuss words.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Not all the regular ones. You have to invent a lot of
own?
them. Yeah.
Well, you know, it's funny because that's a common question. You know, like, you can't call yourself a luthier. Well, I mean, because technically a luthier is just somebody who builds strings instruments, right? So,
Right.
So, I mean, whether or not you're a luthier or a good luthier, that's the whole other question.
Correct. Okay.
So what are you looking for there?
I don't want to cut into the binding channel. I mean, I don't want to cut. See where the see where the step is here?
Yeah.
I don't want to cut into that step. I want to just either be right to it or just leave a little of the sides left there.
Okay.
Because if you cut it to the step, then it makes the binding issue. It kind of just complicates it.
Oh, okay.
Always look again, you know.
Yeah.